What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Okay, this video is about a skylight leak. Okay, skylight, you know, whatever they want to call them, you know what I'm talking about, one of those. Okay, I'm not a master roofer, I don't claim to be, and this is actually not a customer's house, this is mine. So what, you know, if you're thinking take all the shingles up, do it the right way, I'm going to try it this way first. Okay, got a little bit of a leak in my son's room, so I did a little research. I checked around all the flashing, it looked good, but you know what, I taped it all up. Okay, and I'm going to try this stuff first. Rubber Flex, picked it up at the depot for like 15 bucks. Okay, all you got to do is tape all the way around this window. Okay, let me get up here and I'll show you. All right, tape nice, you know, nice and easy. Take your time, get in the corners. Okay, make sure you leave it so the water can, you know, drain away. So if it builds up, kind of float it. Okay, I taped it all the way around, and yeah, I'm gonna seal this. I'm gonna put a new bead of caulk on the window itself, but it looks good. I did spray it with water before, it wasn't leaking from the actual caulking. But before I take the tape up, I'll probably re-caulk it. Okay, and what I did was, that one didn't leak, but I went around it as a precaution, nice and neat. So when I pull the tape up, it's gonna look, you know, it's gonna look nice on the edges. Okay, all the way in there, I got it nice. Okay, remember, don't clump it up in the corners. You want the water to flow away from it. And we're gonna see what happens. I'm gonna let this stuff dry. All right, we're supposed to get rain in, I guess, another day or so, and we'll see what happens. If it works, then I got lucky for now. If it didn't work, then I gotta remove all the shingles, and I gotta really get into it, and I'll probably end up replacing these windows. Okay, but that's it. Stay tuned. The Rubber Flex, cuz look it up. Okay, I'll let you know how it turns out in a couple days. Let you know if we have any leaks. You know, I got to protect those video games down there. All right, so again, thanks for watching my channel. I appreciate everybody who subscribes, and when I hit 500 subscribers, I'm gonna have a giveaway. So if you stay tuned, I know I got some loyal subscribers out there, and I appreciate every single one of them. I'm gonna give something away, something cool, and that's pretty much it. So have a nice rest of your weekend. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, this kid doesn't stop, it's the weekend, he should be taking a break. But these are the times where I actually can do things for my own house. You know, I got to use my vacation time to do it, and I'm actually doing, if you look down there at the wheelbarrow, I'm doing a concrete pad for a deck job I did. They want a little pad at the bottom. That video's coming up next. Stay tuned for that one. I'll probably head out later on today and finish that up. All right, but that's it. Rubber Flex, cuz look it up. If you got a leak in your skylight, tape around it, nice edging, and just spray the whole thing, and make sure you float it away so the water flows down. Okay, you don't want to build up the corners, and let it sit and puddle. And that's it. I'll let you know how it turns out. Again, I appreciate you watching. Take care, and we'll catch you on the next one. All right, here it is, tape removed. It's nice straight edge. Okay, you don't want to leave the tape on too long. It's kind of like when you're caulking. All right, take it off. If you let it dry and it gets hard, you're gonna peel the rubber seal away from where the edge is. So it looks pretty good. Again, thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.